हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल मार्केट 360 डिग्री में। आज हम लेके आए हैं आपके लिए एक नए आईपीओ का रिव्यू। कंपनी का नाम है हेरानबा इंडस्ट्री। हालांकि थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग नेम है, बट हाँ, ये एक पेस्टिसाइड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है। इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे। अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो के आखिरी तक बने रहें। हम इस आईपीओ के बारे में पूरी जानकारी डिस्कस करेंगे। तो हमारा एजेंडा रहेगा आईपीओ के डिटेल के बारे में बात करेंगे, हम कंपनी के बारे में थोड़ा बात करेंगे, उनके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में भी डिस्कस करेंगे और कंपनी का स्वॉट एनालिसिस करेंगे। मतलब उनकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, वीकनेस क्या है, क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है और कंपनी को किन किन चीज़ों से थ्रेट्स है। एंड योर ऑल इंटरेस्टिंग ग्रे मार्केट प्रीमियम लिस्टिंग ग्रे का क्या रिव्यू रहेगा, लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक के ऊपर क्या रहेगा। तो further, do not wasting time, we will start with this presentation on a company called Heranba Industry. तो ये आईपीओ एक बुक बिल्डिंग इशू है एंड आईपीओ स्टार्ट हो रहा है 23rd, क्लोज हो रहा है 25th। इट इज स्टार्टिंग आने वाले वीक में ही स्टार्ट हो रहा है। प्राइस बैंड जो कंपनी ने रखा है 226 रुपीज़ से लेके 227। रिटेल इन्वेस्टर ऑलवेज गो फॉर द कट ऑफ प्राइस विच इज़ 227। इशू इज़ ए स्मॉल इशू, छोटा इशू है, 685 करोड़ का इशू है। बट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट फॉर रिटेल इन्वेस्टर, जो रिटेल इन्वेस्टर का कोटा है विच इज़ 35%, विच इज़ गुड। एंड जो सिंगल रिटेल इन्वेस्टर अप्लाई करेंगे दैट विल बी 23 शेयर एंड उनका जो सिंगल लॉट का वैल्यू रहेगा वो 14,421। रिमेंबर दिस अमाउंट, 14,421। ना इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स, बिड स्टार्ट जो हो रही है वो 23rd फरवरी को हो रही है, क्लोज हो रहा है 25th को हो रहा है। अलॉटमेंट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2nd of March को आएगा एंड स्टॉक इज लिस्टिंग ऑन बोथ द एक्सचेंज ऑन 5th of March। नाउ टॉक अबाउट द हेरानबा इंडस्ट्रीज कंपनी के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिटेल लेंगे। इट इज़ इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन 1992, इज़ अ गुजरात बेस्ड कंपनी. They are into business of manufacturing of pesticides. They manufacturing different kind of product under the pesticides like intermediate formulation and technical formulations also, and even they sell in their brand name. They are the leading producer of the synthetic pesticide, and their key strength is they are the one of the you can say recognized export house. When they are doing good export, then government of India recognize them, or you can say reward them with an export house or star export house. So they are a recognized export house. They have four manufacturing units. Based in Vapi Mu. एंड प्रमोटर जो होल्डिंग है वो 91% है। प्री इशू से पोस्ट इशू में वो होल्डिंग हो जाएगा 74%. They have a strong dealership network. Domestically, they have 8,600. Export, they are currently exporting more than 60 countries. Now, the purpose of this IPO is very standard. They need working capital, funds for working capital, offer for sales, and yes, fund for corporate purpose. Now talk about the financials are a little confusing, but you can say their sales in March 2018, closing year March 2018 was 745 crore, and net profit after all taxes and everything is 47 crore. Again, sales increased in 2019 and jumped to 1,400 crore, and profit is also jumped to 75 crores. But now look at the 2019. Sales dropped and it came to 951 crore, but the same time net profit is increased to 98 crores. And 2020, this financial year 2020 and 21, we don't have much detail. We have detail up to September 21, and you can see September 21 sales they have almost crossed 618 cr, and profit is also 66 cr, and almost they have a 2 quarter in hand. So we assume that sales will be going to exceed from 2019 mark, but still overall financial you see it is little confusing. Now talk about some SWOT analysis of the company. They have wide range of product in their portfolio. They have very strong network of domestic network of dealer around 8600 dealer. They are strong in export as well. They have a large customer promoter and management have the very good experience in producing this particular product. Now, weakness of the company is the financials are still very confusing. What we have understood from last previous slide, and one information is that their one of their group company is declared as a witful defaulter by one of the bank. So that is one problem. Now opportunity for this company is that the demand in a food product, because their pesticides are generally or majorly used in the crop protection. So when demand in the food increases, their demand for products are also increasing. Now demand in exports is also increasing, that there are a lot of issues with China, so everybody wants to buy from India. So yes, they got the very good preference in export also. Threat, the major threat what they have experienced is the raw material shortage due to India and China trade issue and the previous war, tension between India and China. An environmental related issue, because anytime government came up with the different policies in manufacturing of chemical and usage of chemical or specifically pesticides to the crop. So yeah, this could be a one area which could create a threat in the longer term. Now, whether to apply this IPO or not, just to understand their positive thing and negative thing, which we have already discussed. But yeah, in nutshell, strong player in this particular industry of pesticides making, strong network. They have around 8600 what do you call dealers across the India, and they are already government approved or government recognized export house, exporting more than 16 countries, 60 countries. And weakness side, yes, tough competition is there, financials are not clear, and yes, witful defaulter from one of the group company. Now here comes the interesting part of this analysis. The gray market premium, listing gain, and whether we should apply or not apply. So in our analysis, the current gray market premium what is going in market is around 200 rupees per share, but still it is very weak, and we will get to know more clarity when this IPO is going to start bidding. So most important, bidding numbers are very important. On that basis, most HNI and QIB will also, QIB numbers are very important, HNI numbers are very important. Accordingly, take decision on the apply or not. So listing gain, still it's a very early stage to talk about listing gain, but yes, you can approximately assume around 20 to 30% could be a good listing number for this stock. Long term perspective could be good, because company has a good product line, they have a good network, and they are very strong. Only one point which is not good is that they are one of the company is a defaulter, a witful defaulter in a non payment of the loan from one bank. So overall company is looking good, and it is a good company, because pesticide market is growing, and Indian chemical export and Indian chemical are in demand. So overall a good, and we suggest apply for this IPO with the limited quantities. Do not go with the huge quantity in this IPO. However, please, this is our disclaimer. Please, consult with your financial advisor before taking part in this particular IPO. We are not responsible for anyone's personal decision on whether to apply IPO or not in this IPO. Again, thank you very much for your time and patience to listening us. And if you have still any question, we will request you to please join our Telegram channel. Send your queries on our email, and you can also connect with us on LinkedIn or Facebook. Hope this coming week is a good for your portfolio profit, and this IPO will good benefits. Have a great day and have a good weekend from Market 360. Bye bye.